Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a rainbow version of a Spider-Man face paint, and if you want to know how you can create this, please keep watching. To start out this face paint, Simone is creating the white shape on her eye, and this is just done with a face painting sponge, and you basically want to create a triangle shape over the eyebrow. Then it is time to create the background of our rainbow Spider-Man, and that is done with the Split Cake Neon Rainbow by Superstar. And as you can see, that is a lovely, very bright neon colored split cake. Onto the black, there was first an outline on the eye, and now we are creating the spider web. So this is basically done with all teardrops. And once those lines are on there, you just want to connect them to become a spider web. Just smudging that edge with a dry brush. And with a stencil by Badass and a few patterns on the Spider-Man design, our neon colored Spider-Man for today is done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos. For now, I wish you a wonderful day, and of course I hope to see you back here next time.